So today, so we got us a nice little kit from Haisstronica. Now this is going to be a 15-inch lug crimping tool. Now it's got, let me show you. Let me open up the box. So it's got something very special that caught my eye. That's why I had to have it. Well, not just one thing. There's quite a few things. Quite a few things that caught my eye. Now the case, it's got a nice hard case, 16 inches long. Great for toolboxes in the bottom where you got the bigger drawers. Now, whoa. So this kit, like I said, is from Haisstronica. So you have your cutters. This is a 9.5 inch cutter. We're going to take these out of the box as we go. Get these out of here. There we go. Okay, so a nice 9-inch. Look at the size of the teeth on that. Look at the thickness. That is awesome. So heavy duty. This kit, like I said, is heavy duty. It's a heavy duty crimping kit. So these are 9.5 inches. There. Let's throw that away. It comes with some lugs. It comes with actually a lot of lugs. So these are little variety packs, and these go from 4 gauge to 2 gauge. This one goes from 6 gauge to 1 gauge, and this is 8 gauge to 1/0. Yes. So you get the little heat shrinks for different sizes. You get the little trays in which to put the lugs in. Wow. Now this is where they get you. Their little manual. So these tell you what's going on as far as what size fits what. A lot of people that do this for a living just know. But for beginners, they give you all the information you're going to need to know right there. So that's super cool. Now, this is what I've been waiting for. I couldn't wait for this. Now, this is, this is going to be the bomb here. Oh. So, this is a 15-inch crimper. Now, it's got something special, though. Something that I've always wanted. I've always wanted one of these. But these adjust. So, for different sizes, you don't have to keep putting in different teeth. You don't have to get more than one of these. You press the button and you spin it. So whichever size you have, you line up the teeth, and there you go. Now you got the size lug you needed, and you just crimp away. So awesome, awesome, awesome. This is so cool. Right there, clicks in. So any size. I have little lawnmower lugs, and I have to replace these all the time. So I was going to take this kit and try it out because I want to fix battery cables the right way. So I'm going to cut that, and then I'm just going to kind of clean it off here like so. There you go. Now, these lugs right here, these are 100% copper. They're 99.995%. That's the purest copper you're going to find. Let's pop these open. And then you're going to find one that fits. Well, wait a minute. Let's do it the right way. So, Haisstronica has the best of the best. So if you want your customers to know, this is what I do, this is the workmanship I do, get the best tools. Very affordable. They're always affordable. And like I said, they're the best of the best. So you're going to slide this over like so. Put you a fitting on like so. And then gonna crimp away. I need a smaller size. So we'll go with the 6. There we go. And then you just put that in. Just like so. There you go. Now that's a nice fitting. Alright, so see how it crimps all the way around. So it gives that real tight fitting. And then you just take that and a heat source and heat it up. And it doesn't take much. This heat shrink tube is, I think it's 3-to-1. So if it fits over pretty decent, it's gonna be a good fit. So you just heat it up, get it nice and tight on there, and it gives a waterproof as well. There you go. So you went from a fitting like that to a nice fitting like that in just a matter of seconds. Well, in my case, minutes. But yeah, that's a good fitting. That's something when you do for your customers, if you do it for yourself, you know it's going to last, you know it's a quality fitting, and you know what even looks awesome. Very professional, just like the factory. In this little kit, very affordable. So you have everything you need. You have your heat shrink, you have your lugs, all different sizes. Very good kit. This is a kit. So you got everything you need. It's got the hardened steel teeth that's adjustable just by pressing this button up here and spinning. So you can have whatever size you want. And you know it's in the right position because it'll lock. And then tighten it away. Just dook. There you go. So this is the Haisstronica. This is the lug kit. It comes with everything you need. Cutters, the whole works. And there you go. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's what I got. I will see you guys next time.